Hi, I'm Laurie from Hudson Valley Bookkeeping, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up insurance companies as customers in your QuickBooks Online file. All right, let's get started. All right, let's create some customers in your QuickBooks Online. I want to start with, you cannot put patient names in QuickBooks Online. It's not HIPAA compliant. So just please don't. You just don't go down that road. It's not all right. Your QuickBooks should not be used to track your billing for patients. You should use Simple Practice or any of the other ones. There's a lot of great ones. It just really depends on if you're prescribing or if you're not. Simple Practice doesn't work if you prescribe medication. So there is that. But your QuickBooks is what you're going to use to, one, compare to your billing, right? And this is what you use to help prepare your taxes. So you have different software for different things. So that's my warning on not putting patient names here. Okay, so let's go over to sales, or see right here, I have it in my bookmark, customers. So I really recommend bookmarking things if you use them very often. So my customers are already bookmarked. So I'm gonna go right here. And I have some in here, and I'm going to show again how to do a new one. Okay, so let's do Cigna. We're going to go up here. And why are we doing this? We're doing this just so you can see, it'll help code out transactions, and especially if you're getting EFT payments and you're accepting insurance. So we're going to say new customer. We're going to say Cigna. I'm going to show you later. X that out. Don't pick that bill pay thing. And you're going to click save. It's so simple. It's so simple if it actually works. Oh, we already have Cigna. Okay, wait. All right, let's do Blue Cross. Okay. We're going to X out the business network. We're going to click save. Go back, see how you have to get back. Scroll up, click new. Again, don't do this business network. Click save. Okay, another one I do is I do a copay or a self-pay, or both. Because I kind of like do. So we're just kind of differentiating. And then when I post and create my income codes, I create the same ones to correlate with the names. So this is a good thing to do before you start posting your transactions in your QuickBooks, is to get all the insurance companies that you take and get them into your QuickBooks ahead of time. Many mistakes are made when you're trying to do these things, what we call on the fly. So put in all of your insurance companies. Don't put any patient names, because again, this is not HIPAA compliant. And then what you're going to do, which I will show in another video, is how to then also create a chart of accounts that matches these insurance companies. All right, I hope you found this helpful. Please note, I don't monetize this channel. And so if you could like, subscribe, or post comments on any type of videos you'd like me to make, I'd really appreciate it. All right, have a great day.